Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today is Monday, 18th of January 2021. We are studying lesson number 16, Muslim Rule in the Subcontinent. Our today's topic is the Mughals. The Mughals were the descendants of the Mongols, Genghis Khan and Timur, but instead of destroying, they built the subcontinent. The Mughal era is generally known to be one of the most glorious in the history of the subcontinent. The Mughal rule began with the arrival of Emperor Babur in the subcontinent in 1526, when he defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the plain of Panipat and took control of the Sultanate. India's fortunes were to change for the better over more than 300 years of Mughal rule. The important features of the Mughal Empire. First of all, good system of administration. India saw Babur, his sons, grandsons, and great-grandsons bring prosperity, progress, good governance, excellent administration, and unity to India's many states. A huge empire. The Mughal kings did much for the subcontinent. They united many small states into a huge empire. More of the subcontinent came under one rule under the Mughals than under any other dynasty. Kindness to their people. The earliest Mughal rulers never forgot the people, whom they kept happy by appointing them into the government. They stopped jizya, the tax on non-Muslims, and took care of their people's needs. Tolerant of all the cultures. The Mughals succeeded because they were tolerant of all the cultures and traditions of their subjects and fair in their dealings. That's why they could rule over more than 300 years in the subcontinent. Wonderful architecture. The Mughal Empire was world famous for its wealth and culture. During their reign, the Mughals introduced a marvelous architecture to the region. Many great buildings were constructed and gardens were laid. Rich in art and culture. The Mughals were art-loving people. That's why literature, poetry, music, and art flourished during the Mughal rule. Thank you for watching. Children, take care. Allah Hafiz.